Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 Days of the DevOps with AI Tools Learning Path Journey. I hope so you have started the AWS Associate Engineer and as well as AWS Lab courses as it was mentioned in the previous Learning Path agenda. Yes, if you didn't start it, yes, go ahead and try to make sure that you have started those two courses. Otherwise, the next videos, whatever I'm going to present it, you cannot access it. Yeah, I hope so you have started the courses. Yes, let's move into the next agenda. So are you excited to start the next agenda? So in this agenda, we are going to understand that is about day 25th agenda, the introduction to cloud computing. But what about this cloud computing? So before understanding those points, yes, if you're following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful to about your friends and colleagues, then please like, comment and share the video and don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 25th agenda, the introduction to cloud computing. But what about this introduction to cloud computing and the why do we need to look into that as a separate agenda about this section? Yes, this is very important. So if you're going to look in that any cloud, the engineer activities, yes, if you're going to learn about it, cloud services, so this agenda is very important. So why do we need to go for this, the cloud? Yeah, before understanding those points, so if you have the interest on this course and if you'd like to enroll it, this 100 days of the DevOps, yeah, if you have the interest and if you'd like to enroll it, just ping that in the WhatsApp 100 days. So is that exactly the same text and send it to this number 9390604502. Then it is automated board system, so which is going to helpful to understand the course and as well as if you have this interest to enroll the course. Yeah, thank you. And now let's move into this today's agenda, the important points, what we are going to, yeah, so about the cloud, that to understand it, yes. So why do we need that? I mean, first of all, so before going to understand the cloud and why do we need the cloud, you should know that the infrastructure. So in which context we need that infra? Yeah, the common use cases for the infrastructure. So that's we discussed that. So if you're the fresher or if you're the new to the cloud or anyone who are not having that any computers background and looking for this learning about that, yes, this section is going to help in that. Exactly why do we need the infra? Then we'll move into that. What is the cloud computing? There's some points on that. The what is the cloud computing? What is the combining of that cloud and computing? So why do we call that? Yeah, that is we are going to understand here. Then we are going to look into the benefits of this cloud computing. Yes, why the clients are moving to the cloud infrastructure. So benefits of the cloud computing, and not only the benefits. Yes, we have some challenges also. Yeah, if the application is moving to the cloud, our client is planning to move that his infra to the cloud. Yes, some risks which are there. But what are those risks? What are the challenges? But those challenges to overcome that. So what are the different deployment models are available? Yes, on the base of the risks, yes, we have that solutions also. Otherwise, I mean that AWS, Azure, all these clouds, why they're the very famous in the market, right? We have the solutions for as well as in that solutions point of view, we are going to understand the different deployment models and not only just deployment and from the cloud providers, what are the different service models are available. Yeah, all these points, so that's we are going to have it in this agenda. So you are going to have it almost 1.5 hour session this. So to understand only this about cloud here, it was not mentioned any cloud about that AWS or Azure or Google Cloud. It was just to discuss that in this entire agenda that is about cloud introduction. So you are going to have it one video, and in this entire video that is described about that about the cloud computing, the very beautiful concept and the interesting concept as well. As if you are good with that understanding those, then okay, so how do we get the services or what are the different deployment models, the which provider, which deployment model, and which kind of the service models they are providing that. then to understand it, it is very easy. Yeah, all those points, it has been clearly explained from the scratch. So from the basic terminology, yes, cloud terminology also, it has been introduced here. Whether you are working as a private cloud or public cloud, doesn't matter that. The cloud objective is the same. But what is that objective? So some important terminologies. So which have been covered here. Yes, all those points you will get it in this agenda. So day 25th, you are going to learn it that. And here we have given that's the forum link as well as, yes, we're learning about this cloud introduction. A very interesting concept. Yeah, so if you have the interest to enroll to this course, yes, as I mentioned that, so just ping that in the WhatsApp group, that is 100 days to this number 9390604502. So this is a number which you can ping it and you can interact with the bot, and you can, if you have this interest, yes, you can enroll it from here itself. Yes, that's all from this section.